पक्षांतर करून आपणाले हित साधून घेवपाची मायकलाक सवयूच जाल्या। मायकल कितेंय करू ताका विचारपै कोण ना। 4 दिसां पयलींच खडणीचेर आवाज करपी मायकल लोबो आतां वोगी कित्याक? मायकलाक हप्तो पावलो काय कितें? कलंगूटचो आदलो आमदार आग्नेल फर्नांडिसान प्रस्न उपरासला। 2015 ह्या वर्सा मायकल लोबो बेकायदेशीर डान्सा आड आंदोलनाक बशिल्लो। कितें जालें? डान्स बारांचो आंकडो वाडपाचो वाडलोच। उपरांत ताणें कॅसिनोचो मुद्दो घेवन आवाज काडिल्लो। आतां ताज्याच कार्यकाळांत 4 ते 5 कॅसिनो वाडल्यात। आसात जाग मायकलाची? आग्नेल विचारता।
See, extortion is a crime. Can you just close a crime? What DGP has said, according to me, is that the fake letter case has been closed. Can you close extortion case? See, Michael has got a habit. Michael किती म्हणतालो, oh, निधन उठला, ex MLA. See, I would prefer to be ex only. I would prefer to be ex. I don't want to be in politics. But I have got a duty towards my people who have got me elected 2 times from that constituency. Now, what has happened? Michael has been compromised with the Congress. Congress लोक हा पयले पण उलयना तेजेर चडशे. BJPचे आमचे हा पयले पण उलयना. आमचे काँग्रेसीन आदी पळय मायकलाचेर अगेन्स्ट उलयताले ते BJPन गेले ते सगळे ओके आहा. So somebody has to keep a check on what Michael is doing. Now you see Michael's in 2015, I'll show you the paper cutting. In 2015, Michael sat on a big dharna in Kalangut against illegal dance bars. He sat on a dharna to stop dance bars. What happened? Dance bars became more कि तो आपणाचो हप्तो गेलो चालू करता. Then he made a big issue about casinos, more casinos coming in the constituency. What happened? Today 4 or 5 more casinos are come. Aha जागा हा मायकलाची. Then he said Kalangutan drugs na. Drugs na. Kalangutan drugs dorit aha. So I had alleged that day that Michael is getting hafta even now this extortion. The extortion and तुका वांटो दिलो जाल्यार case cover. That cannot be, no. It is a crime. I don't have anything against Michael personally, but my colleagues are getting extortion threats. I am getting extortion threats. I am talking against that, and Michael is in cases kabazari. People have paid. People have paid extortion money. How can you close this case? Michael has got a habit of starting something. अपना जो मेवले अपना मैं cover देते. Be it drugs, be it casinos, be it illegal dance bars, everything. सगळे काबाज झाले म्हणतात. Dance bars, he said on the dharna. What has happened with the dance bars? Stop no. Casinos आता येले आता about 2-3 months ago. New casino. तो भाई म्हाका एक्स म्हणटा न्हू. तो गेले फावटी BJPचेर तर बोललोलो. तो एक्स जावपा जाय. तो काँग्रेसीचेर बोललो, लोकांक फटयले आनी हें केलें. बट सी मायकल इज मायकल. A person who goes to the church, a mosque and a temple, he promises that he is not going to change the party, then changes the next day. Now what can you expect from this person?